Il fa fare delle idee, o le ausa o il mangiato, poi dopo la metà si cambia la cosa, la yaki sarà un figlio, e non può la ricorda o il mangiato, uovo tutto va a dire la loro. Fa tutto tornarsi ma tornare l'Audi vita felicità, o le fa un po', o le fa un po' quella. Lei ha voluto dire, lei aveva messo la prima volta a mano e poi con una
friends, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you all for being here today to celebrate the life of our Father with us. On behalf of my mother Marina, sisters Annie and Tanya, and our whole family, I want you to know we are deeply grateful for your presence, messages of support, prayers, and your love during this most difficult time in our lives. Losing our beloved Father Alan to the call of his master has not been easy, but we are comforted to know that he is resting in a better place, cheering us on in our journey. After all, the Bible tells us that to be absent from the body is to be present with God Almighty.